Hey everybody, Andrew Thruston here with PJ Hussey Real Estate and 6022 Invest. Wanted to talk to you guys today about down payment assistance programs and how that can benefit you in buying your first home. In order to do that, I put together a panel of experts and I want to introduce you to them now. This is Marcy Teague. She's our general manager of real estate at PJ Hussey and Associates. This is Elizabeth Brennan. She's a senior loan officer at Gateway Mortgage. And this is Chris Kumaro. He's a nationally recognized credit counselor at Continental Credit. So, let's talk about GPAs. How does that, benefit a buyer?
Down payment assistance programs are awesome for those that have limited funds for down payment. It's a great resource to get the grant for their down payment to purchase a home. Many of them are forgivable after a certain period of time. So that's awesome. It's just another alternative to get people into home ownership.
Excellent.
I think it helps buyers understand that there is a way that they can get into a home without having a large down payment. Right. Even with the NFHA, they still need that 3.5% down, and these kind of programs help with that part of it.
Absolutely.
One of the things that people should know is there's a different credit score required for a GPA program versus a traditional lending platform. Is that correct?
That is correct. The guidelines for a down payment assistance, as far as the credit scoring, is higher, 640 to 660 versus a 580 when it comes to a regular FHA loan requiring the 3.5% down. So there is that difference. There's a couple of little things that a little bit more restrictive of guidelines when it comes to a down payment assistance program. We want to make sure that that homeowner is ready for home ownership. So we don't want them maxed out or pushed to the limit of how much they can purchase. So they do a little bit of extra due diligence when it comes to a debt ratio, meaning your outgo, your credit report, the items on your credit report, your mortgage payment, that type of thing versus your income.
Continental Credit, we're here. There's a big difference, obviously, with a lot of these programs between, let's say, a 560 or 570 credit score and to qualify to 660. We're here to put together comprehensive plans to get somebody from point A to point B credit-wise with the least amount out of pocket, working closely with PJ Hussey and Elizabeth over at Gateway to make sure we expedite the process for the home buyer.
One of the things that I want you to know as a buyer, if you have good credit and you have, a good source of income, but you don't have that nest egg, so to speak, to sit on, that doesn't take you out of the buying market. No. We have an entire team of people here that can get you right into a house with a down payment assistance program. So you need to reach out to a professional in the industry, today to bring that up. Thank you guys so much for sitting with me today. I think that's some really valuable information that we were able to share. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, make sure you reach out to my team at 6022 Invest or look us up online at 6022invest.com. And remember, invest in your future.